Welcome to News by Business channel. Today I will quickly and simply explain how to download and install the Rapido Capital app on your iPhone. First, make sure that your mobile or phone is connected to the internet with a good and fast connection, then open the App Store on your device. Welcome to News by Business channel. Today I will quickly and simply explain how to download and install the Rapido Capital app on your iPhone. First, make sure that your mobile or phone is connected to the internet with a good and fast connection, then open the App Store on your device. To continue, please enter your account password in the field provided, or if you prefer, you can confirm your identity by double-clicking the power button on your device. Once you have completed this step, please wait while the application is being fully downloaded and installed onto your device. This process may take a few moments, so remain patient until it is finished. When the download and installation are complete, an open button will appear on your screen. At that point, press the open button to launch the application and begin using it. Or enter your Apple account password or double-click the power button to confirm. Wait until the app is fully downloaded and installed, then press the open button. Click on it and start using the app. We will wait a little until it appears. Yes, you will need to press the open button and then it will appear to you exactly as shown in the example. If you happen to encounter any issues or problems at any point during the steps, please feel free to write to me in the comments section below and I will do my best to try to help you as soon as possible. Press the open button and it will appear as shown. If you have any problems during the steps, write in the comments and I will try to help. Thank you for following News by Ahmad. Don't forget to subscribe and